Hello everyone, in today's video I'll show you how to view your T4 slip in your CRA My Account. So let's get started. First, open your browser and search for T4 slip on CRA My Account. Then open this first website. It will take you to this page. After that, you will find copies of various tax slips including T5, T4, T3 and many others that have been submitted to the CRA. To view your T4 slip, simply select it from the list by going down here and select option 2 and then click sign in into my account and then sign in into your account. You can then review the details and make sure everything looks correct. If you need a copy of your records, you can also download it or print it directly from the page. Just click the download or print option available on the screen. And that's it. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe in the channel. Thank you for watching.